Apply this to your hands, and dry, rough skin will feel beautifully cared for again. The same mixture also works wonderfully on dry feet, bringing back a soft, moisturized feeling in no time. Prepare a small bowl and start by adding hand cream. It gives the skin intense moisture and protection, making it feel soft and flexible. Add a generous amount to create a solid base that will support the rest of the care routine. Next, take coconut oil, which naturally cares for the skin and leaves it feeling smooth and nourished. Warm it briefly in the microwave until it melts, then add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. The next ingredient is honey, known for making the skin feel softer, smoother, and nicely moisturized. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to enrich the mixture with a natural ingredient. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, even texture. Apply a little to your hands and massage it in well, taking a moment to work the mixture into the skin. Your hands will look like after a professional beauty treatment, beautifully moisturized, smooth and softer than ever before. This simple care routine makes hands and feet feel nourished, soft and ready for any occasion. I apply this to my heels in the summer and no longer need to visit a beautician. I never would have guessed that a simple potato could be used this way. Combined with a few surprising ingredients, it gives amazing results. All you need is a fresh potato and a grater. Grate it finely, then place the grated potato into a strainer over a bowl and squeeze out the juice. Now take a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from 1/2 into the same bowl. Lemon acts as a natural exfoliant. Add a tablespoon of salt, which cleanses the skin and works as an antibacterial agent. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the mixture and stir everything well. What you now have is a homemade remedy for cracked heels. Dip half a lemon into the mixture and rub it thoroughly onto your heels for 5 minutes. Leave it on for another 20 minutes. The result? Even after the first use, the skin becomes noticeably smoother, and with regular application, the heels regain softness, elasticity, and a well-groomed appearance. Forget about dry and cracked heels. This method will help break down tough calluses and support the natural regeneration of your feet. Take a large plastic bowl. Pour 1 liter of warm boiled water into it. Next, take some salt with cleansing and skin-softening properties. Add 1 tablespoon to the water. Mix everything together. Now it's time for vinegar, which has disinfecting properties and helps remove calloused skin. Add 3 or 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the mixture. The next ingredient is starch, which moisturizes and soothes. Add 1 tablespoon and mix well to dissolve the starch. Another ingredient is oil, which softens the skin and makes it smooth. Add a bit of oil. The final ingredient is mint, which has a cooling and refreshing effect. Tear a few leaves into smaller pieces and add them to the mixture. Mix everything thoroughly. Your foot bath is ready. Soak your feet in it for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work and absorb into the skin. During this bath, your feet will have time to fully benefit from the healing properties of the ingredients, and the skin will soften and relax. After this time, gently dry your feet with a towel, removing excess water. You won't need to visit a beautician anymore. Your feet will become smooth, soft, and refreshed, and your heels will regain their gentleness and shine. Using a simple candle, I got rid of cracked heels. This inexpensive method works like a treatment at a beautician's. You can do it at home for less than $1. Cracked and dry skin on the feet is a problem for many people. It turns out that all you need is a regular candle. I had a white one, cylindrical in shape, made of paraffin. I also prepared a small bowl. Using a knife, I cut the candle into small flakes. Paraffin has a long tradition of use in cosmetics. It moisturizes the skin and helps the epidermis retain water. Paraffin makes the skin more elastic, smooth, and moisturized. Into the bowl with paraffin shavings, I added half a cup of olive oil. It is one of the best cosmetics nature has given us. Oleic acid, the main fatty component of olive oil, creates a protective layer on the skin's surface, retaining water and preventing its loss. As a result, the skin becomes more elastic, soft, and smooth. Prepare a heat-proof container. It should be larger than the bowl. Pour boiling water into it. Then, Place the bowl in the container. In a water bath, melt the paraffin with olive oil. Mix them together to form a homogeneous mass. After a few minutes, this homemade cosmetic will be ready. Remove it from the water and let it cool down. Wash your feet and apply the paraffin mask. Apply a thick layer to the areas where the skin is cracked or calloused. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the mixture softens the skin. Then, rinse with warm water. Do this with circular motions. This massage additionally improves circulation in the skin of the feet. This treatment makes your feet as soft as a baby's. They will be moisturized and nourished. The skin will retain water better and will not crack. Use a tomato for dry heels and heel spurs. It will dissolve calcifications and support the healing process of joints. Cut the tomato in half and place it in a pan. Sauté it briefly until warm, then spread it over the dry heels. Massage them for 5 minutes. When applied to heels and heel spurs, the tomato soothes pain and softens the skin. For even better results, grate the tomato. Tomato juice is rich in vitamins A and C, which can aid in skin regeneration. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the mix. Grate half a lime and add it to the mixture. The citric acid and other natural acids in the lime have a mild exfoliating effect, helping to remove dead skin cells. Apply the resulting mask to your feet. This simple trick will make your feet exceptionally soft and healthy. With regular use, you'll feel relief. This is how you can support the healing process of inflammation caused by heel spurs. Pour vinegar on your feet. Instead of expensive treatments and cosmetics, use something you already have at home. This is a simple home remedy that really works. Start with a bowl filled with 2 liters of warm water. Add 70 milliliters of vinegar, preferably white vinegar. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of salt. Once everything is dissolved, soak your feet in the mixture. Within minutes, you'll feel your skin becoming soft and pleasantly refreshed. This natural combination exfoliates, cleanses, and disinfects. After about 15 minutes, take your feet out of the bath and gently pat them dry with a towel. Next, apply a nourishing cream. It will work even better now that the skin is softened. Finally, put on cotton socks to lock in the moisture and boost the treatment's effects. When repeated regularly, this simple ritual will leave your feet smooth, well cared for, and soft to the touch, all without leaving home. Natural, effective, and pleasant. Forget about dry, cracked heels. Put some coconut oil on your hand. The oil deeply moisturizes and softens rough skin. Add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural scrub. Mix it in your hand and apply it to your heels. Massage it in with a toothbrush for gentle exfoliation. The result? Smooth, soft heels without a trip to the salon.